Welcome to the Passivhaus 101 course for designers. This course is amazing and it is giving you so much knowledge that it makes you dangerous. Okay, so this course is exactly the course you need to do before you actually jump into the certification course. And this course gives you so much. First of all, it gives you the language of Passivhaus so that you understand all this stuff. What is a psi value? What's U value, R value, G value, solar heat gain coefficient, understanding all these building physics words that you may have not heard, as well like heating demand, cooling demand, loads, all this stuff, so that when you're doing the actual course that you're not getting overwhelmed. So you learn the language and you're freshing up your mathematics. So if you're not an engineer that is juggling numbers all the time, then maybe there are a few things that you've forgotten about the mathematics, like the brackets, how to use your brackets, what comes first, a plus or a multiply, and how to put it in your calculators and all that bits and pieces. That's what you're learning in here. So it really prepares you for the course, but it as well gives you an really view into the designer course and gives you the structure of the designer course, that you understand Passivhaus already on a level so that you can follow on the designer course that comes after this one. Is far easier and you're not always questioned, but this course is bringing everything together, so you have a general understanding. Like I said, it gives you enough understanding so that you are dangerous, but as well it gives you an idea if you want to work with us, if our material is good enough for you, or if you want to go a different route and join somebody else for your certification course. Additionally, I don't know if you know it, if you do this course and you've paid the $300, I think that's where it is right now, could be 500 to 300, that's normally the pricing depending if you're on a special offer or not, then you're getting that money back that you actually invested when you're going for the certification course. So in the case you're deciding, hey, I'm going for the certification course in the next 12 months, otherwise the money is gone, then you are getting that money back when you're buying your certification package. And it gives you a way to look behind the scenes who we are and how we teach. So I want to welcome you to it. And if you're completely new to the platform, then maybe it helps you as well if I show you a little bit around. If you're already familiar with our platform, then no worries. As well, you get in about half an hour or so another video where I'm explaining it a bit more. But if you want to get started now, let me show you our platform. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so you most likely have already been on our website and now you opted into a course, you bought it or you got access from us, or I don't know how you got access, but anyway, now you need to get to the learning platform, because this is actually the website or our online store, but you want to do the learning. So for this, you want to go for courses and then certification, My Hub. That's the easiest way to get there. So go under courses, My Hub, then you're finding your login. So let's do that now. It's loading now. Okay, I've already logged in. So in the case you have already logged in and you haven't logged out, then you're normally getting in directly. Then here on the left hand side, you find take your courses. And then if you have already multiple courses like I have here, then you have to find the one that you want to do. Here's the 101 course. That's the one that you've just got access to. And in there, when you go in there, you have then the structure. And all what you have to do is now start your course. And here you see now your whole course structure, how everything works. Where you get your message from your teacher, your units, and then as well your second parts. In other words, you have 12 parts in here, and all of them together gives you that overview of Passivhaus. And there will be as well a quiz when you're coming in there, so that you can actually get CBD points for this as well. So always try to get your CBD points. Here is another option for doing that, and you get as well a glimpse into our formula sheet. So let's jump in here, unit number 1. It opens up, like I've already looked in here a little bit. So you just start. and you watch, and then you watch it, and you can obviously change your speed and everything. I hope this helped you, and yes, I'm really glad to have you on board for the 101 course. This is an amazing journey, and if you have any questions, just reach out. We are always here for you, and enjoy your learning. Soon you understand it, soon you know it. You can't go back, because you know you can do a better job than normal construction. Welcome to 101.